And now what you have to do is just basically click on get started, choose a plan. Honestly, there is 4 plans, but if you're planning to get just one website, choose the basic. If you're planning to create more than one website, choose the plus plan. Now we're gonna stick to the basic. We're gonna click here, and if you don't have a domain name, you can create one here, and if you already have one, you can put it here. Take in mind that when you get a hosting service with Bluehost, you get a domain name for free for 1 year. So this is something really good. And also, if you already have a WordPress website that is stored in another service provider and you want to move to Bluehost, you can perfectly do this because Bluehost gives you a free website migration. This means that you don't have to worry about all the technical aspect when it comes to moving from one hosting service to another. Now you can try something. Let's try getting my website name, jordanvelasquez.com. You can choose .com, that online site, whatever you want. Honestly, it doesn't really matter, but the most common one is .com. So you just have to click next, and if the domain name is available, you're good to go. If not, it's gonna pop up a message saying that it's not available. So what you can do is just make some little tweaks. For instance, you can put the name of your country. In this case, I live in Nicaragua, so I can put jordanvelasquez.com, something like that, small tweaks. Now we're gonna click next, and as you can see, it's available. Now what you have to do is just basically fill all this information, put your name, last name, your business name, country, and email address. Super important. Put the right email addresses because you're gonna receive the receipt and some instructions. And you can also use Google to sign up with your Google account. Now the package information. So if you want to create this website for your business, I believe you're doing this for a long term. In this case, I recommend you to get the 3 years plan so you can get the cheapest plan of all. Now we're gonna choose this one, and we're gonna uncheck these extras because you can use a free plugin in WordPress to get this. Now the domain privacy is just basically if someone wants to get your domain name, they will see a Bluehost information instead of your own information, your name, your address, your number. But honestly, I don't believe someone want to get my domain name, so I didn't want to get this one. I'm just gonna uncheck this one. But if you want to get it, just click on it and get it. Now we're gonna turn this off, and as you can see, it only costs $142.20. And I'm gonna give you an extra tip so you can get more discounts. Now you just put the mouse, like if you're gonna leave the page and it's gonna pop up this, you just click on claim savings, and we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna uncheck all this, and you're gonna see that the price is gonna be lower. Now you will have to pay $95.40 just to get a domain name for 1 year and a hosting service for 3 years. So it's extremely cheap, guys. And now what you have to do is just put your payment information. If you want to pay with PayPal, just click here and choose PayPal and click on this and submit, and you're good to go. In here you have to create an account. As you can see, there's here your billing information, and you have to click in create account, create a password. Click I have read and agreed to Bluehost privacy policy and terms of service, and create account. Go to login, log into your new account. Here you have to answer these questions, but honestly you can answer it if you want, or you can skip this step. It really doesn't matter. I'm just gonna answer real quick. What type is it? In this case mine is personal, so I'm gonna go to personal, and no, for myself, continue. What would you like to add to your site? If you want, you can check something that you might want here, but you can still do it inside WordPress, so go ahead, do it if you want. I'm just gonna skip this step. In here you're just gonna put the name of your site. For instance, we're taking as an example my website, so it could be something, the name is gonna be Jordan Velasquez, and the tagline is like my slogan. It's like a resume of what is my business about. In this case, it could be something like, we help e-commerce and service businesses get more sales and leads through website optimization and digital marketing, something like that. But I'm just gonna skip this and continue with the other step. You can also edit this inside WordPress. Here you have to choose a theme. You can choose it here or inside WordPress, however you want. I'm gonna do it inside WordPress, so I'm just gonna skip this. And there we have it, guys. This is our Bluehost dashboard, and basically this is how it looks. And we're gonna just click on WordPress so we can go directly to our WordPress dashboard. And here we are. This is the WordPress dashboard.